Hello and welcome back to another video. So first of all, I'd like to say a massive thank you to those who are watching the videos already. If you're not subscribed already, then please do so. We'll be chucking out a video every Monday at 6 o'clock. So before we get into this next video, this is actually going to be an open garden within the summer here in the UK. So there's a couple of dates in July, I believe, a couple of dates in August. So I'll drop the link down below. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And there we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed this this video. Like I said before, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Links down below if you do wish to go and see this beautiful garden in its prime. So yeah, until next time guys, I'll see you.